Okay, if you've made this before and you know it's a game changer, I want you to post in the comments below this video to let everybody else know how this cheese sauce worked for you and your family and how you shared it with friends so that we can get the word out about this cheese, because even if we're not plant-based, there's a lot of people out there who are lactose intolerant and are just looking for fat-free versions of, something cheesy to put on their food. So this appeals to everyone, not just the plant-based folks, even though they are pretty awesome. Let's get started. All right, you're gonna need your Vitamix blender, and we're gonna start with 2 cups of rolled oats. This is gonna make a lot of cheese sauce, which is great. It'll last in your refrigerator for a whole week. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, or nooch. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. That's all for the dry ingredients. Now for the wet. This is a very important ingredient. I want you to find some fire roasted red bell peppers in water. This is a 12-ounce jar, and you're gonna put the whole jar and the juice in the pitcher. Do not skip this ingredient. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The second most important ingredient to this cheese sauce that makes it a game changer is liquid smoke. You're not surprised, are you? Because it would not be a Jill recipe without liquid smoke. And I like a pecan liquid smoke in this cheese sauce. You could also use apple if you can find those. We're gonna need just a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. And finally, 4 cups water. Now I'm gonna let that blend on high speed for 5 minutes. I'm telling you this now because it's gonna get really loud. Oh, I can hear the motor. Let's go. Ooh, I gotta hurry. Did you hear it struggling? Oh my gosh. Here, look. Ready? Ready? Oh, did you see the steam? Oh my gosh, it's so thick and creamy. I know you want to put your face in that. Ready for the sexy cheese, baby? Okay, here we go. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, look at that. That's thick. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. See how it's thickening up? Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Now I would recommend letting this cool before you bathe in it or use it as a moisturizer. Your next question is, what are all the different ways that I can use this amazing cheese sauce that's really hot? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh baby, it looks so good. So hot out of the Vitamix, it is awesome to pour over enchiladas, quesadillas, as a dip, of course. I serve this every time we have game night, whether Maggie's friends are coming over or Max's friends are coming over, and we have like a big game night, and all these teenagers come over to the house, and they are every variety of eater. They all gobble up this cheese sauce. Everyone loves it. Even those that have allergies love it. It's awesome. As a cold cheese sauce, you can use it to fill up corn tortillas or even flour tortillas if you're into that. We are too. But I like it like laid in a corn tortilla with maybe some chopped sweet onion, and then roll that up for a cheese enchilada. Yeah, it's awesome. And then pour blended black beans on top of that, and then pop that in the oven or your Breville. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Thinning it out into a thinner sauce consistency to pour over macaroni for a mac and cheese. that works. We pour it over our black beans and rice, especially the beginning of the week. There's always a pot of beans, whether they're black beans or pinto beans, in the refrigerator, and then we always have a bunch of rice. And so this cheese sauce helps us eat up those beans and rice. That makes it fun. You can bathe in it anywhere, just go with it. Just whatever suits your fancy. I'm gonna let y'all go. I've rambled enough. Make this cheese. Make it today. I bet you have all the ingredients in your house already, and then come back and tell me what you thought of it. Bye.